already married. So that was the qualification. I don't know why. Well, I've seen Anne grow from since she was born, like a little chubby girl in the picture. I don't know if you've seen the invitation. Up to growing into a lovely girl who danced. Like since she danced earlier, I was shocked for some reason. But well, you're 80 now, and you're entering into a life wherein you're entering the life of a mature being. You will be experiencing a lot of tough times from this point on, and it may be easy, it may be hard, but well, I just have three simple things in life that I follow, and I call this the 3 P's in life because I'm Paul, so 3 P's, so it's easy to understand. First one is faith or faith. Pananampalataya, that's faith. So always remember that put God always in your heart. The Bible, what I always say that there are only 2 rules in the Bible. Love God above all else, and love your neighbor as you love yourself. And you'll never go wrong. That's a sure thing. The next P is family or pamilya. We will always be here for you. Your mom, you know my aunt, she's the best stage mother in the world. So she'll always be there for you. And your dad as well, and your Tito Eman. And I don't know if my auntie is ready that maybe one of these days, somebody will come in to, manliligaw dyan. I don't know if she's ready or not, but I know Anne will be. But just take your time. As the song says, it's now time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to go through. Find a boy, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I'm not that old, but I'm happy. So your family is always there. I will always be here. So kung sino man ang manliligaw kay Anne, you need to see me. Send a biodata or a resume, 1 by 1 and NBI clearance. Okay? And then the last but not the least is perseverance. As they always say, it's not how many times you fall, but it's how many times you stood up. So I believe you can do it. You're smart, you're intelligent, you're gifted with the knowledge in this world to try and persevere. Yun lang naman ang kailangan. Try and try and try until you get to the point that you have done everything. You can tell to yourself that you have done the best. So, for Anne, this toast, I request everybody to stand up. This toast is for Anne. Stand up tayo.
Can you all stand up for the toast?
Okay.
Let's all please raise our glasses.
This toast is for Anne. So again, work hard, pray hard, and party harder. Thank you. Happy birthday, Anne.
Happy birthday, Anne. Okay. Cheers. Everyone cheers. Okay. Thank you very much, Paul.